Welcome to Templar Fire Alarm Systems, LLC, your trusted partner for professional services in Dallas, Texas. With 15 years of experience, we specialize in delivering high-quality services to meet your needs. Our comprehensive range of services includes new installation, maintenance, monitoring, annual inspections, installation and inspection of fire alarms, and more. For more information, please give us a call at 469-470-9503. You can also visit our website for additional details. Templar Fire Alarm Systems, LLC, your reliable choice for services in Dallas, Texas.